Hey guys, what's going on? It's Ian Preston here on my second channel, Ian Preston Reviews. Welcome back to another brand new episode of Reaction Slash Reviews. Sorry about that. And we'll go back to another Blue's Clues reaction. In this one, we're going to be doing Steve Gets the Sniffles. I think he has a cold in this one. I vaguely remember this one. I don't really remember this one actually too much. But I think he gets the sniffles. He gets the flu. Not the flu. He gets a cold or something in this. But anyway, if you guys are new to this channel, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, check out Ian Preston first channel. Link will be in the description. Let's get into this. Clickety click. We are back. Hey Steve. There she is. Alright. Morning. I show the characters. Hey Steve. Oh no. I'm good. It's just you sound like you're gonna.
See, I'm just a little sniffly. Hey, Blue.
Blue.
See who's here?
Blue.
There's Blue.
She's underneath the blue because her favorite color is blue.
Oh, you see Blue? Where?
I see blue.
Oh, right
Over there.
there.
Yep. Over there. Oh, bless you, buddy.
Thank you, Blue.
Did she say bow bow bow? That means gesundheit in blue. Blue's.
No? This tissue isn't what I need to feel better?
No, you need something to make you feel better, buddy.
What do you think I need to feel better?
From your sniffles. Maybe you shouldn't play Blue's Clues, because that's just gonna make him worse.
We'll play Blue's Clues to figure out what I need to feel better.
Yes.
This is gonna be so much fun.
Maybe not when you're ill, though.
We are gonna play Blue's Clues because that's a really great
I wonder
game.
if Steve Burns was really sniffly.
We'll be on the clues. Blue's Clues. Oh yeah. We should probably clean this paw print up.
Oh, the paw print went away because you were gonna sneeze. Yep.
Sorry, I just have the sniffles.
I wonder if Burns really had the
You know
sniffles.
what we need for Blue's Clues?
Blue's blue?
Notebook.
Notebook.
Notebook. Right. And where is our notebook?
Side table drawer.
Table drawer. Come on.
Side table.
Hi, side table drawer. How are you today?
Side table sniffly too.
Me too. You know,
Yeah.
I really think I'm gonna need your help today to figure out what Blue thinks I need to feel better. Will you help me?
Yes, I'll help you.
You will?
Yes, why not?
Great. Okay, so
Play Blue's Clues. Blue.
gotta find
The paw print.
paw print, right? Because that's the
First clue.
that we
Put it in our notebook. Use Blue, look at it. I mean, she hasn't done it yet. Whose clues? Blue's clues. Which blue? She's not doing it like. Yeah, that blue would did the. And we use our mind, take it step at a time, and we could do anything. Whatever you wanna do. Yep. Blue?
But where did she go?
She went to your right. To your right. I still kind of see some of her foot.
That way.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Here we go.
There you go.
We are sniffing for Blue's Clues. We are
Excuse me.
sniffing for
Oh
Blue's
no, don't sniff those flowers. That's gonna make him sneeze.
Clues. Wonder where they
There's
are.
one. A clue, a clue.
Oh. The flu?
Not the flu.
The flu?
You don't have the flu. You wouldn't even be
I
on.
hope not. I hope it's just the sniffles, because...
You don't have the flu. You would have been way worse if you have the flu.
Oh, you see a clue?
You would have been way worse. Right there. spoon.
Spoon. Wow. We found our very first clue.
Yes.
A spoon.
Mr. Spoon.
Hey, now what do we do?
Notebook.
Right. We need to write this clue down in our handy
Nope.
notebook. Okay. A spoon. So,
Sorry, my hand got tired.
line here for the handle and a curve there, and now we
Have
have
a spoon.
So what can make me feel better? With a spoon.
Maybe eating something, like some certain that will make you feel better from your sniffles.
I think we need to find 2 more.
He's still kind of crazy. This is season 2. Oh, I remember this. And us and so we like to eat healthy snacks, don't you? Ooh, I used to have a little toy like that. It had Mr. Salt, Mrs. Pepper, and Paprika, and I would always play with it a lot. And then my dad would get annoyed eventually when I would screw around with the toy, and they would sing healthy snacks, we love to eat healthy snacks. And Paprika would say paprika, or something. And they would say other things too. The toy would say other things too, but I remember I used to have a toy like that.
How many bananas?
One.
Right. So the banana is the only fruit there's only one of. All the other fruits are in groups of 3. So the
Banana.
doesn't belong.
Wait. Healthy snacks. Healthy snacks. I used to have a toy like that they would sing that. Celery. Carrots.
Something else doesn't belong again? Oh, yes. Can you help us
I thought the bananas did belong. The bananas, carrots, bananas, and celery too.
Which one doesn't belong? Broccoli, lettuce, peas, and a carrot.
Probably the carrots, the lettuce, and celery too.
Broccoli is the color green.
Probably broccoli and the
And
peas.
so are the peas and the lettuce. The carrot is the color
Orange. Well, it has green on it. I guess the carrot doesn't. I thought they were trying to figure out the song, but no, they're trying to figure out the carrot doesn't belong because it's literally healthy snacks. Something else doesn't belong. Another orange object, probably.
something else.
Watermelons usually green.
Yes. We need your help.
We need your help.
Let's take a look at those healthy snacks.
Yep.
An orange,
Orange,
pear,
celery,
and a watermelon. Well, the orange, the pear, and the watermelon are all fruits. The celery is a
vegetable. Okay, so that doesn't belong then because it's a vegetable. We're doing fruits.
So the celery.
Yep. Fruits. No, doesn't belong. Is the only vegetable?
Thank you. Hey, you're welcome.
Eat your healthy snacks. Carrots, bananas, and celery too. You eat healthy snacks, don't you?
Healthy snacks.
And do.
I love to eat healthy snacks. Carrots, bananas, and celery too.
I didn't understand they were saying celery. Look like a med kit right there. Don't you?
Did you hear the sneezing, doctor? Yes, doctor.
Pail and shovel?
There he is, the patient.
You're the patient, Steve.
Patient? Me?
Yeah.
Yes, patient. I'm Dr. Pail, and this is Dr. Shovel.
Dr. Shovel and Dr. Pail.
You need a checkup. Sit right here, patient.
Okay.
You have the
Checkup
sniffles.
number 1. How many noses does Steve have?
You only have one nose, man.
One. Check.
Check.
Okay. Checkup number 2. How many fingers does Steve have?
Fingers, he has like
How
10?
many fingers?
10.
10.
10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9, 10.
Fingers.
Yep.
Check.
Yep.
We figured out what you have.
What I have? What I have? What do I have?
You have. To find 2 more clues.
Oh my gosh, you guys.
Well, I think we better follow Doctor's orders
Yes.
and find 2 more clues. Clues.
Yes, buddy. We're going to end part 1 right here. Stay tuned for part 2.